Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This month is all about Christmas, enjoying some party and some more stuff like this. And so today I will make a beautiful Santa house. For this I will take 14 by 9 cm handmade paper, but the handmade paper is not so much strong to stand, so I will put 2 more art paper with it. Now I'll make a sketch of a door in the middle and 2 windows also. So this is done. Now I'll cut the extra part. Now I'll fold the bottom half of the paper. Basically it will help to stand the paper. Now I already made 2 side wall where I fold 3 sides and make a window in the middle. And for the back wall, I fold only one side. Now you have to joint all the paper with Fevicol. Now for more detailing on the wall, I am using eggshell and put some small pieces of eggshell on the wall with Fevicol. So you have to make the border of the window like I do. For the door and other window I'll do the same. So this is done. Now I'll make some more detailing on the window. So all the window is complete. Now I'll put it into a box. Now I'll take two paper roll. I'll put the paper roll in the middle of the house. It will help to stand the roof. I already cut the roof in the shape of like this and joined all the roofs. So the house is almost complete, but we have to make the snow effect on the house. For making this, we are taking some cotton, and first I will cover whole roof with the cotton. Now I'll remove some cotton randomly for more realistic snow effect. Now the snow look really realistic. Now we have to put a chimney on the roof. So the house is complete. If you like the video, please like and share with your friend, and please subscribe to my channel for this kind of video. You can also make this kind of house at home in very short time, so you can make this. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.